I'm super hungry and I'm craving sugar. So I know I'm stressed out because usually my body does not like sugar. So I decided to look for my recipe from college and I wanted to show you how I make Thai soup. It's super simple, very delicious. Here it is. Here are the main ingredients. Chicken stock, cutting fresh basil from the garden. Like this one. So I just needed these two. I'm gonna cut one stem. I have this one. And bravo, Zena! So I've got basil and mint. I use some asparagus for the soup and some to air fry. And I chop off half of them because they're hard to chew. Then I'm using 2 shallots and I'm dicing them. Shallots have the mixed flavor of garlic and onions. And they really give a rich flavor to the soup. Then I'm dicing garlic, more shallots, and some basil leaves. I love the aroma of basil. And some mint leaves. Mincing both mint and basil. And now some chicken stock. 3 teaspoons of chicken stock. And I stir them without touching the pot. Then I use the curry paste. I'm also using 3 teaspoons of curry paste. You can use the red curry paste or the green one. It doesn't matter. Now I'm placing the asparagus in the pot, as well as the garlic, shallots, and herbs. I'm adding more minced basil and mint, and some more whole leaves. Here are the air-fried asparagus. Then I'm cutting some mushrooms. When I boil mushrooms or even cook them, they have the texture of meat, so it feels like you're eating meat. And I'm placing them into the pot. This deliciousness is ready, and I add the rice noodles and I turn off the stove. It's just gonna use the heat of the water to cook. You don't need to keep the stove on while it cooks. Otherwise, the rice noodles will overcook and they'll be mushy. Then you top it off with fresh basil leaves, mint leaves, fresh green onions, fresh cilantro, and don't forget the lime juice. And voila, that is the final result. It was super delicious.